Welcome back to Jeannie's World. This is our day at the flea market. Oh, okay, I can take your picture? Oh, fine. And that's Curtis over there. He's the one who made it rain. That was you. He does everything. He's like that.
I'm a troublemaker.
And there's Miles. Miles, where are you?
In Miles Lake.
Miles is late. Look at all my water.
How's the fishing, Miles?
How's the fishing?
No fishing, just let everything else.
Did you lose your worm?
Yeah, I lost my worm.
He's fishing with his worm. What are you talking about?
I'm putting this on YouTube. Shame on y'all.
Oh, shit.
Somebody brought the bait.
Okay, Miles. What you had to say now? Did you cause all of this mess?
Yeah, it's all me.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. See you from Lake Miles.